In real life, humans' health is affected by a lot of factors. Such factors as environmental pollution, water pollution, food chain pollution. So the issue of food safety is becoming an increasing concern for us. Why? For example, food are grown with chemical fertilizers. Food are treated in the field with pesticides. Some hormonal factors are even used in livestock. And so, chemical fertilizer residues find its way, as well as pesticide residue, and some hormonal stuff find their way into the food chain and render the food we eat polluted. In Double Plus, we have a wonderful product that can take care of that. It is a high-grade bone ceramic tableware. Now, this high-grade bone ceramic tableware is made of animal bone powder. It is also made of natural, pollution-free poultry clay, and also contains minerals and trace elements such as calcium, phosphate, sodium, potassium, and the rest of them that are very useful. One of the things it does is that it improves microcirculation of blood. Let's use water as an example. If you put water into this plate has the ability with the quantum energy in it to break down water molecules into smaller molecules that are easily absorbed by the body. Now, water is purified. Another of its function is that it has bacteriostatic properties. By that I mean, it has the ability to prevent the growth of bacteria. You can store your food here and it will remain safe for at least 2 days. Now, because I did mention that this has the ability to improve microcirculation of blood, you would get to find out when you actually use this. By just placing this plate in my hand, I can actually help to relax the entire system. How does that work? Water. And then I hold this plate in my hand and I begin to play around with it. You can hear the sound coming from it. Because the organs of the body are reflected or are represented in my palm, by just doing this, I'm feeling a vibrating effect on my palm. And by just producing this sound, it is massaging all the organs that are presented in my palm and relaxing the entire body. So here is a plate that is not just useful in preserving food safety, but also useful in relaxing the entire body. It is one of the flagship products of Double Plus. To join us, you would either have to choose to register with this plate, 50,400, and then you have a set of 6, 2 balls, 2 bowls, 2 flats, and 2 cups.